One of my favorite parts of Edmit is our online course. Once you've created your account in the way we shared in our sign-up video, you have free access to our course. To get there, let's click on the menu button in the top right, and then click Course. That will open up a new tab, although I've got it open already, in your browser. Here we can see which courses we're enrolled in, and that will be Better Off After College Student Full Course. We can then click on that to see all of the content available in the online course. We have content starting before high school, we have content for freshmen, sophomores, for juniors, and also 3 modules for seniors, including a module dedicated to staying on track while transitioning to college. My favorite here is budgeting for college. In this lecture, we start with talking about fixed expenses, variable expenses, overlooked expenses. However, my favorite part of the course overall is our Do It in Edmit sections. The Do It in Edmit section for this lecture in particular is a student budget template that gets as detailed as how much you spend on laundry each year. It's definitely something I wish I had when transitioning to college, and it's probably something I could use today. Looking at some of the other content, we have information about how financial aid works, how need-based aid is calculated, how merit-based aid is calculated, etc. In the course, we have videos, quizzes, summaries. We try to accommodate as many learning styles as possible, and anytime you have questions, feel free to let us know. All the best. Talk to you next time.